Okay, I'm going to start at the high speed and work our way down. In low range, I'll do the feeds and stuff. So I'm going to start. This is 1800 RPM. That'll go a bit at that speed of the train here. Go down. All the way down to 400 RPM in the high range. And I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to put it in back gear here. What I have to do is pull a pin out of the back here, pull the pin out, and then I got to go and engage the gear, the back gear on it. Okay, now it should be really low speed. That's the lowest speed right there. And run it up. It's all the way up in the low speed. And run the feed on it. Oh, that's a cross feed. I got the wrong one going here. This is cross feed. And that is the, it's not very fast here. It's hard to see it, but it's going. You see the dial turning right here. It's going right there. It's got a 3-jaw chuck here. Tailstock with a ruler on it, gauge on it, and a few more stapler. That's a brake on it. Shuts it off. Okay.